Hi students, good afternoon. Today I am going to discuss about Python string methods. So what is string and so totally how many data types and all the topics we'll discuss one by one. But in the today class we'll discuss about the string methods. So few string methods I will discuss in today class. So whatever the rest of the string methods we'll discuss on further classes. Okay. So we'll start the session now. So I have already created the file in VS Code. So we'll start the session. So I will take the one string. Let's take like s is equal to. So I will take the one string that is hello world. Hello world is the string I have taken. So what is the string method I am applying in this? That is lower. So lower is the one string method. So what it does I will explain. So it will convert it converts all the characters in the string of lowercase. Okay, so this is one of the like string method, and also I will discuss about upper. This is also one of the string method. So what it does, so I will explain. It will convert all the characters in the string, okay, to uppercase. Okay, so and next method is title. So this method, it will convert all the characters in the string format to whatever the whatever the already have the lower cases to upper cases, and upper cases will convert it to the lower cases, and vice versa will happen. Okay, I mean already if it is in the upper case, it will convert to lower case. In case it is already in the lower case, it will convert into upper case. Okay, lower and upper will do in the same time. So if you need specifically up to lower case, then you need to go with lower case. If you want specifically to the upper case, then you need to go with the like upper string method is the best one. Or else like if you want to use like whatever the lower cases into the upper case into the lower case, the title string method is the best one. Okay. So and next string method we need to discuss, that is capitalize. Okay, this is also one of the string method. This this string method, it will convert the first character to uppercase. Okay, and the next string method we'll discuss, that is about strip. This is very important method. So most of the in real time scenarios we will use this. So what it does, like it will remove the leading and trailing white spaces. Okay. And one more sub-dependent, some methods also there, like in strip only. For example, if you want to remove strip, what it does, it will remove the leading and trailing white spaces from left and right side, both sides. For example, if you want to remove specifically, for example, if I want to remove the white spaces from the right side, then you have to use R strip. For example, if I want to remove the specifically from the left side, then you have to apply L strip. Okay. So it will remove the white spaces from the left side. Okay. So this will remove from the right side. Okay. So L strip, it's basically it will remove the white spaces from the left side. Okay. Yeah, we'll start this. Like these are in the today class, we'll discuss about these methods. So one by one, we'll discuss. So in the first, so lower, right? So what lower we will do, I already explained. So basically, it will convert all the characters into the lower case. So here H is the capital one and W is the capital one. Rest of the all the letters are smaller. So we'll see that. First, we need to check whether it is string or not. So for this, we have the one inbuilt method, that is the type. So if you are giving type of S, then we'll know the which kind of data type it is. Whatever the variable we are taking, right? Whatever the data, firstly we are storing into the some variable that is S. We want to know, if you want to know about the what type of data type it is comes under, then we have to, like by using type function, we can know the type of that variable. Okay. So if you like, if you run this code, then you can know the type of this variable. See here. So this is which category? It's a string category. Okay. So we can easily know. So if you want to not only string, you can take it any kind of data type. Okay. For example, that variable will be stored in the some other text file. If you want to know which kind of data it is, then you can apply the type class. Okay. So now we'll start apply the lower function. So for example, print. And what is our variable? Yes, S star lower. Okay, that is our function. So I'm trying to apply whatever the my string method on the my particular variable. We'll see that whatever the output we are expecting, we are getting or not. See here, this is the output. In this output, what will happen? Whatever the capital H and capital W, right? So that will become lower, right? So it's working fine. So for example, I will try with the one more example. For example, I will take the one more variable here. For example, S is equal to, uh, for example, my name is Prabhas. Okay, if you see here, so my name is Prabhas. For example, here M is capital and P is capital. So for example, if I am applying the same function in, for example, already we have taken S1 S variable, right? Now this time I will take the S1 variable. So I'm applying the lower method in S1. So S1 dot lower. So what it will do? It will convert the all the whatever the uh, capital M and capital V, it will convert it to the lower case. See here, this is the output. This is output. What output we are expecting that came. So, okay. So I think you get clarity on the lower method. So next we'll go to the upper method. Okay, in the string. So if you see here in the upper case, whatever already we have the two like variables, right? That same variables we can use it for the same thing. For example, if I'm applying in the already in S have H is already capital, rest of the remaining words are the smaller case. For example, if I want to convert whatever the rest of the remaining smaller lower cases to uppercase, then you have to apply uppercase. Okay, then we'll see the output. See here. So it will convert into the uppercase. So same thing. For the same thing, next S1 variable also we will try on. For example, S1 dot upper. Okay. So we'll see that. Will it work or not? Yeah, see here. This is we are expecting, right? So for this case also it is working fine. This is about upper. Next we can go with the title. So basically what title it will do, whatever the lower cases it will become like upper cases, upper cases it will become lower cases. We'll apply the same thing in, already we have some variables, right? So in S1, S and S1 will apply on this. So for example, print S dot title, title. Okay, we will apply on this. So print dot title. So we will see what output we'll get. So see here. If you see here, what it will do, right? First character of the word, only first character. We need to do some changes here. It will convert the first character only, not all the characters, only convert first character to uppercase. Okay. For example, if you take, for example, let's take this. Okay. Here in the first case, I am taking lower case, and here also lower, already in the lower state. Here, M. So here also lower case. So what it will do, right? So whatever the first letters, what is the first letter? Cap. I mean lower case, right? In the first letter in the word, that is also in the lower case. Whenever I'm applying the string method, title string method in my variable, so what it will do, it will convert the first letter in hello to the uppercase, first letter in the W. I mean, it will convert into the uppercase. See here, this is on the output we are expecting, right? And for this also we can do the same thing. See here, whatever the first letters in this my M is capital, it will become capital. So whatever the output we are expecting, so that is we get it. So in the capitalize also, for example, in the capitalize what it will do. So in the capitalize, whatever the first letter, it will become capitalize. Rest of the all the letters, whatever the letters, all are in the smaller only. In the capitalize only, whatever the first letter only, it will become like uppercase. Title and capitalize both are looks like similar, but the difference is in the title, it will convert whatever the letters we have, right? For example, if you see in the hello word, in the hello word and the world word, only first letter H and the W it will become capital. But in the capitalize, for example, if you see here, hello in the hello word, H letter is also in lowercase and world also in world in the world word. W is also in the lower case. But in the capitalize, in the word word, the W will not become uppercase. Only first letter in the first word only it will become capital. Okay, we'll apply this. Print, start, capitalize. Okay, see this, see the output. If you're applying this, see here, it will not convert all the letters to the uppercase. Whatever the words we have, actually, if you see here, only two words in the first variable, we can see the two words, right? Only all are in the lowercase, but it will convert the capitalize only convert first word in the first letter. Only it is converting it to the uppercase. That is the difference between title and capitalize. Just one note, capitalize. Okay, so if you see the difference, title it will convert all the words first letter into the capital. I mean capital in the sense like uppercase, but capitalize it will convert only first word first letter. It will become uppercase. Strip. Strip is very interesting one. So, for example, uh, I will take one different example. So, Prabha. So, Prabha. So, if you see here, so I want to remove the whatever the right hand side, left hand side white spaces. So then you have to apply print, print, yes, dot strip. Okay. Then you will get the after removing the left hand, I mean left side and right side is white spaces. You can get the without, I mean any white spaces. You will get the normal string. So see if you see here, there is the so after getting removing the leading and trailing white spaces. For example, if you're for the same string, if you're applying here, example, the same string, if you're applying here, start or strip, only it will remove the right hand side white spaces. I mean this side only it can remove. So if you're applying this, you will get like this. See here, only the rest of the part will become this thing, right? Did you observe this change? Only right side, it will not affect only. A left side will not affect, right side spaces only will be removed. For example, if you're applying the left hand, I mean, if you want to remove the left hand side white spaces, then you have to apply print s dot l strip. Okay, see the difference? See here. So this is about the string methods. So thanks for watching my channel, for watching my video. So we'll discuss in the next class. Thanks. Thank you, student. Thank you very much.